Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel, and by title you know that this is a product review. The product I'll be reviewing today is from the brand Himalaya Herbals, and this is their oil-free radiance gel cream. And I know that oil-free and gel really, that's the point which you actually got attracted to. So if you want to know my take on this particular product, then keep on watching. So the product comes into a carton box like this, and this is it has white and greenish blue kind of illustration with all the direction, like how to use this product, what are the key ingredients, and this is for oily skin people, alcohol and paraben free, and this can be used applied prior to makeup for smooth and matte finish, and all those ingredients and everything is mentioned on the box, the carton box. Under the carton box comes our product. Our product comes into a jar like this, as you guys can see. The price of this one is 250 rupees for 50 grams, and this is a glass jar with a green cap. And the moment you open the product, it has one more lid which protect the product from spillage. That is the purpose of this lid. And since the product comes into a jar, so I know most of us will get a bit nana to buy this product because of the hygiene purpose as well as for the travel friendly purpose, which I absolutely agree with you, because when the product comes, especially the face product comes into a jar, hygiene becomes a very big factor. So if you want to use this product, what I would recommend you people is that just use a spoon like this. It's a wooden spoon which I got with the Force Essential brand, or if you have any spoolie or even ice cream stick, or even you can use a Q-tip or something like that to apply this product. Try to avoid your fingers, dipping your fingers into the jar. That's my point, and that is again a con for the product. Now talking about the product itself, the fragrance of the product is very mild. It smells like a very mild floral scent. Yeah, it has a very mild floral scent which eventually goes with time, so don't worry about it, because I know certain people are very fishy about fragrances, especially applying it onto your face, because that makes them very uncomfortable. I do understand, so don't worry about it, it goes by time. Now talking about the texture of this product, it has a very thick gel consistency. It's very easy to apply it onto your skin. The moment you apply it onto your skin and the moment you start blending it into your skin, it glides very smoothly and blends very easily into your skin, as you guys can see, leaving behind a well nourished, at the same time matte finished skin, as you guys can see. You will not feel that as if your skin has become very dry. No, it really nourishes your skin and gives you a matte finish, and that's a great yay for me. Now it has a non-greasy formula which we are very conscious about, especially the oily people. We are very conscious about, so that's a great thing. This is a great product for summer as well. However, I'll not recommend this product to people with a dry skin, but people with a combination skin, go ahead and try this product because it's great, and it really does not make your skin extremely dry. It nourishes your skin, giving you or resulting in a matte finish, and it is definitely affordable, which is a big pros of it. It is paraben and alcohol free. That's again a pro. Non-greasy formula, paraben and alcohol free, affordability, gives matte finish to your skin, has a very mild pleasant fragrance, is all the pros of which it has. So definitely I'll recommend this product. And the cons which I have against this product is the jar, the packaging of the product, because it's there in the glass jar, so definitely it is not travel friendly. At the same time, it is not hygienic, and apart from that, as it says that it can be used under SPF, that means under makeup or something, and it is oil free. That means most of the people will use this as a day cream. So I wanted SPF factor in this, however it is not there. So I don't know, I really wanted it to have that SPF factor, which it does not have. So that is again a no-no for me, because not no-no for me, I like this product, but again I have to use a sunscreen separately. That is like for me add-on step. So that is just that is what I don't like. If they would have add SPF also in this, then I would have loved the product more. So out of 4, I'll give this product 3.5. The reasons I'm deducting is obviously because of the packaging and the SPF factor. Now I know that few of the people are gonna comment in the description comments down below that whether this product diminishes your scars or fights acne or something. No, it doesn't, and it does not even claim that. If you feel that using this product will fight your scars and will help in diminishing them, blemishes and all those stuff, no, it will not, because it does not claim any of those things. So don't expect it to do that. And apart from that, it is great in terms of using as a primer for your makeup. I absolutely agree on that. But in terms of SPF, I doubt a bit. So, but would I recommend it? Please go ahead and try this product, especially oily people. You will definitely love it, because at the price of this, you will never get an oily cream, which results so good. At the same time, it leaves your skin matte, giving it the nourishment which it requires. Everything is great about this product apart from the points which I said. And if you like the video, if you like the review done by me, please thumbs up this video and let me know in the comments down below what else you people want to see from my side. Pocket friendly stuff which you people can afford and you want me to review this. And yes, I'm recommending this product. Please go ahead and try this product and use separate SPF, because your skin needs SPF. And that's it. Follow me on my social media platforms. All the links are there in the description box, so don't worry about it. And at the last, I'll say, yeah, one more thing, very important. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel, because that means a lot to me. And click that bell so that whenever I upload a video, there should be a notification on your tab, mobile, desktop, wherever you're using. So that's it for the video. At the last, I'll say take care and stay pretty.